Hey, what's up guys? Adam here from Well Woven, and on this lovely Friday, August 18th, 2023, I want to share with you a collection, a collaboration that it's super exciting to finally say it's here, coming right around the time of the Miraculous Ladybug movie that just dropped on Netflix a few weeks back, which by the way, was the #1 movie for, I believe, about a week or so in the US, Europe, including Italy, France, to name a few. So super excited to be an official partner, bringing this beautiful story, a tale of a young girl and her friend, Miraculous Ladybug and Cat Noir, and their sort of coming of age story. It's really beautiful. I watched the movie, now officially a fan. But I wanted to share with you just a couple prints from the collection. This collection's live on Amazon. It's on our brand store and several other retailers, including Wayfair. Come check them out. I'll just take a quick walk through of some of the styles in the collection. We have Miraculous Ladybug in a few different forms. We have our sidekick and best pal, Cat Noir, right here. He's my fave. Definitely, I mean, between the two, I love them both, but some really cool artwork. Perfect for kids' rooms, perfect for your retail store. So yeah, super excited to share this. Thank you so much. See you next time. Have a great weekend, guys.